Today, we're grounding ourselves while energizing the entire body in just 5 minutes. This routine is perfect for those moments when you want to reset and refresh without equipment. We'll start low on the mat, walk through dynamic stretches for the spine and hips, and finish standing with powerful moves to release tension. Each stretch lasts about a minute or less, helping you wake up, find balance, and feel amazing. Let's hit the mat. Start on the mat in child's pose. Knees wide, big toes touching, hips sinking back towards your heels. Stretch your arms forward and let your forehead rest on the mat. Take a deep breath, feeling your lower back expand as you exhale. Now flow forward into cobra stretch. Lower your hips to the mat, press through your palms and lift your chest high. Feel your chest open, your shoulders draw back. Then glide back into child's pose, letting the motion feel smooth, like a gentle wave. Repeat this movement for 1 minute, letting each flow release tension in your spine and energize your body. One last glide forward into cobra, then back into child's pose, letting the rhythm settle your mind and body. Come on to all fours, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Extend your right arm forward, your left leg straight back, creating a long line from fingertips to toes. Inhale as you stretch. Exhale as you bring your elbow and knee together underneath your body. Continue this movement for 30 seconds, focusing on balance and control. Feel your core engage as your body stabilizes. One last extension on this side, then switch the other side. Now extend your left arm forward and your right leg back. Inhale to reach, exhale to bring elbow and knee together. Let the movement flow, keeping your back flat and your breath steady. This stretch strengthens your core, back, and hips while building stability. One more extension here, lengthening fully before we move to the next stretch. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge, letting your left knee rest on the mat. Place your left hand on the ground and twist your torso, reaching your right arm toward the sky. Breathe deeply, feeling the stretch along your spine and through your left hip flexor. Switch sides now. Stepping your left foot forward, rotate your torso, reaching your left arm upward. Feel the twist, opening your back and the stretch, loosening your hips. One last breath here, grounding yourself before we rise to standing. Come to a standing position with your feet hip-width apart. Inhale, reaching your arms overhead, then exhale as you fold forward from the hips, letting your hands dangle toward the floor. Keep your knees slightly bent if needed. Let gravity do the work here, gently lengthening your hamstrings and releasing tension from your lower back. Take deep breaths, allowing your body to relax further with each exhale, loosening your shoulders and deepening the stretch in your back and legs. Hold still for one final breath, feeling grounded and refreshed. Step your feet wide, toes pointing forward. Extend your arms out to the side, like wings. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, twist your torso, reaching your right hand towards your left foot. Return to center, and twist the other way, reaching your left hand towards your right foot. Move at a steady pace, letting the rotation stretch your hamstrings, spine, and shoulders. Each twist helps improve flexibility and releases tightness from your back and legs. Slow down slightly, focusing on the full stretch with each twist. One more reach on each side, feeling the openness across your entire body. Great job, fam. In just 5 minutes, you've stretched your spine, hips, and legs while building energy and grounding yourself. Feeling refreshed? Check out another stretch routine, dive into a workout, or unwind with the calming meditation. Keep moving, stay grounded, and I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.